is a special day. I'm talking about the day when heaven kissed the earth. I'm talking about the day when grace was manifested upon the earth. We received grace for grace. I'm talking about the day when a man who is more than a man was born. I'm talking about an occurrence. I'm talking of a man whose hands are imprinted on my head. I'm talking of grace. When grace meets grace, the lower grace we bow. The chakra grace we bow. It is the birthday of my father, Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. Hey! He decreed upon me, I see the manifestation. The father of Zualakate, the father of celebrate grace. Anywhere you see Zualakate, you are seeing the son of Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Daddy, I love you today. Hey, I love you tomorrow. I love you forever. Daddy, I pray for you. With all the mysteries I operating in this ministry, all the mysteries, I lift my bum for the sky. I lift my bum to the sky, and I decree, Daddy, you keep going higher. So shall your lifting be. You will never come down. All the people that want to see you come down, they diminish by fire. Anybody who plan against you, I give them snake. Hey, I love you, sir. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. See, the hands that were laid on me in secret, I announced on the rooftops. I love Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Papa, I love you. See, I love you. Many are the sons of Apostle. Me, I'll be your Pekin. I love you, sir. I'll be Pekin. They wrote Johnson Suleiman on my forehead. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. I love you forever. It no matter what the world think. In a football field, not only who hold born and people they attack. All the attacks are because of what you carry. Daddy, I love you. Oh God. Happy birthday, oh. Happy birthday, Daddy, and I pray for you that you will receive grace to maximize grace. Because the grace that you carry, you need grace to fulfill grace. You don't get grace. You don't get grace. Oh. Daddy, I love you. I don't know what you're talking about. Like the way I say love you. I thank God you are a man. I too love you. I'm not married. Apostle Johnson Suleiman, I love you, sir. See, how do I prove my love now? You know the Bible says God so loved that he gave. I think give my cameraman. I think give our seed. Hey, Daddy, I pray for you. This year, your path will be as the just. It will shine brighter and brighter unto the perfect day. More life, more glory, more wisdom, more power, more anointing, more presence. Hey, Daddy, more fire. I love you, sir. Zualakate. Celebrate grace.